Hi guys, it's actually day 21. It's almost like 6 p.m. and I'm just like, not me actually, my hubby is actually helping me with like coating the chicken with samosa patties. So let me just quickly show you. So I have already like, not like powder, but like I've just like grinded the samosa patty in the mixer and made like not like powdery consistency, but like, and then I've like marinated the chicken. So he's actually like coating the chicken and helping me. I haven't made like anything else. Maybe we'll just like fry the kebabs that I have. So we'll just like fry the kebabs and I'll make like 2 rotis. I have like french fries as well, so we'll do that. And I was actually editing my video. It's already scheduled for tonight, and after iftari I'm gonna edit the vlog because I didn't do it like last night. I was editing the review video but couldn't finish it, so just finished and scheduled it. And after iftari we'll like edit quickly and schedule the vlog as well. So guys, it's all done. I still have like a little bit of chicken left, so maybe we'll make something tomorrow and fry these. And I'll just add like corn flour and like make like pakoda style. So I'll just keep these in the fridge for a few minutes and I'll start frying the kebabs and french fries, and I'll start making the roti. I'm also going to make the Szechuan sauce again, just like dipping, so we'll do that as well. The kebabs and the chicken is ready. I've made like 2 rotis and the Szechuan is looking so good. I just made for like dipping. I'll see you after iftari because I'm gonna have to make like caramel pudding. So I'll meet you after iftari because it's almost time. So bye. Okay, so guys, we'll start with making the caramel pudding. I've already put like half liter of milk and we'll just give a boil. And we have the caramel like syrup so that you can put on the bottom of the bowls. So we'll do that as well. I'm going to put the caramel. I used to love this. I'm actually just going to use my fingers. It's like nice and ready. I actually loved caramel pudding, but now I have to make it, so I don't love it that much. Just stir it continuously till it's boiled. So it's like boiling now. Mix this like one more time before adding, and then boil it for like 2 or 3 minutes. So guys, it's almost done now. I have just switched off the gas and now we let it cool for around 15-20 minutes, because if we add like the hot milk into the bowl, the caramel mixture will be mixed up with the milk and you don't want that, and you want like a separate layer of caramel below. So we'll just let the milk cool down a bit. Till then I'll just have my coffee and I'll meet you in a bit. So guys, the milk is almost cooled down, so maybe 3 in each bowl for now. Guys, it's actually day 22 and it's 6:30. I was actually filming Eid video, so I just finished doing this very simple Eid look, and I just ordered like iftari for me, like just pizza and some cheese pops, because I'm actually alone. I actually don't really like to make anything for just myself, so I ordered a pizza for me. So I don't know, it will take like few minutes, and it's 6:30, 6:40 now. I just took like some pictures, and I'm actually like so bored taking pictures in the same position. But anyway, just wanted to like update you here, and I did like one Insta video. I might like do even more videos, I'm not sure. Let's see after iftari how I feel, but for now I just finished doing this Eid look. This maybe I'll post like tomorrow. Today is like Tuesday, so maybe it's like tomorrow. So I'll edit this and post it for tomorrow evening, and maybe after iftari, if I feel okayish and not sleepy, I'll do some more Insta videos. So let's see. I'm just waiting for my order to like come. So anyways, I'll take you guys when I'm like having my iftari time. My pizza just came. It's the spicy chicken ranch. It looks yummy. Then we have the cheese pops, cheese chili pops, and I have this yummy peri peri sauce, which they usually put on the pizza. So I'm just going to have this. It is actually so good. This is also really yummy. I'm actually so hungry today. Anyways guys, I'll just have my iftari, and maybe I'll see you later or tomorrow. Bye. Hi guys, it's actually day 23 and it's almost 3:30 p.m. I just received my parcel, in the morning, so I thought I'll just quickly unbox it with you. I got earring for me, and I got like sandals for me, so I just received it today morning. So I thought I'll unbox it with you guys, and I just open and see even whether the sandal fits me or not. I'm already like editing today's video. It will be up tonight as soon as I finish it. So I'm like halfway done with it, so I'll just sit after doing. I'll actually like continue with editing after showing you these things, because I don't think I'm gonna prepare anything new for iftar. Whatever I have left actually is there in my freezer. I'm actually going to prepare that and finish that off, and then maybe tomorrow or day after I'll prepare like new things. So I'll just quickly show you. So I'm just going to use like my wet wipe first to wipe everything. So I'm just going to like wipe this box first. So I got the earring from the brand Boulevard One. Actually like a Pakistani brand, and they always have like a sale going on in Dubai. They have like a really good clothes on their website as well, but it takes like a few days to like deliver. So I didn't get the dress, and you can like even stitch I think on their website, but maybe next time or during like Bakr Eid or Eidul Adha, maybe I'll order like a nice dress. Let's see. But this is the other one which I ordered, the one earring that I really loved. Maybe I'll put a picture here if I can find it. It was so beautiful. It was like dark pink fuchsia stones, really beautiful, because my dress is like baby pink, so I wanted like something deeper pink for the dress, and it was really beautiful. Like even did the payment, but it got cancelled, and then I got a mail that it's like out of stock, and suddenly it got like out of stock. So I think they didn't like update, or maybe while I was ordering, someone might have like ordered that. And on their website they even show you which product will take you like how many days. So this product actually took me I think just like 2 days. I ordered not yesterday, the night before yesterday at around maybe like 10ish or 9ish, and then yesterday I got the message asking me when do I need the delivery, and today I got the parcel. So I'm just going to quickly open this. Hope the earring looks good and is actually good as it looks in the photos. I was actually going to like order it from some other website. I think that's an Indian website, but it said due to COVID it might take like up to 30 days and I can't wait till then. Then you have a card, and then you get the earring in this, and then you have this nice tissue packaging with Boulevard 1 sticker on that. Okay, it's actually really pretty. So these are the earrings that I got. I mean, in photos it was like kind of blurry, but I mean, I'm not sure what work this is, meenakari or I don't know, but I think this is like the Hyderabadi style earring, because in Hyderabad you get like a lot of these styles and the pearl work. So it's actually so pretty. It is not like exact fuchsia color, but this is like the common color that they usually use. Red, not a reddish, it's like pinkish reddish with green and white stones, and you have like these beads on the side, and then you have like pearls. So it's really good quality, and it is actually not that heavy as well. So yeah, really excited about this. Really pretty, but the one that I wanted was like much more prettier than this. Seriously, it was too pretty. And then going on to the sandals, I have like this big box from 6th Street. It is Ramzan and Ramadan, so they have like this packaging, outer packaging. Otherwise they usually give like in the, I mean there is like brown box, but there is like a cover on top of that. Actually like struggling. The cover was a struggle. These are like not the new like arrivals, because the sandal that I wanted, I didn't actually have the size. I don't have a big feet, I have a smaller feet, so usually my size gets like out of stock real fast. So I just ordered like a simple one. So I got like 2 boxes. So I think this, I got one from Charles and Keith and one from Nine West. I really love the Charles and Keith sandals. They are like very simple, too simple. So I got this sandal. It's very simple and I wanted something very simple in black. So these are the sandals that I got in the size 37. My feet is like pretty small. You actually have 2 sizes in heels. One is like much more smaller than this, but I got this one because the base of this is black. The other one was like creamish, so I wanted full black, and I wanted very simple black sandal. And I love these kinds where I can like toes are like inside and covered. So I got this one, really sleek and pretty. So this is the first one, and I got this from Charles and Keith. Then the other one I got from Nine West, because there was not a lot of golden this time. Maybe they will have like, I mean it was like too goldenish and not to my liking, so I didn't get that. Then I got the golden one from Nine West. This is also very simple and similar, and this also is like similar, and I honestly didn't even see online, but it has like a transparent side, but I mean it's totally okay. And then from one side you have like that, and this is also in the size 37, and I think the heel is pretty similar. I think the Nine West one is a bit longer. These two are these sandals. I really love this, and I love like simple sandals, and rather than like not like a lot of like rhinestones. It depends like how beautiful and gorgeous it is, but not too rhinestone. And last year also I wanted one sandal from Dune London in golden color with rhinestones, but twice I ordered and twice they like sent me the silver one. I like spoke to them and they were like only this is like available, so at least like tell me before if you're sending like a silver one. But I just kept that because it was actually pretty. It is not like proper silver, it's like more of gunmetal silver, so it's actually very pretty, but my dress needed like a golden sandals, so I went with the golden one. I'm just going to quickly try these on and see how it looks. Hope it like fits me well, otherwise I'll have to go to the mall and exchange it for a bigger size or smaller size. Okay, the golden one is like not fitting me. It's 37, but my sandal size is usually 37, but it is like not fitting me at all. My leg, I'm not able to even like put my toes inside. So this is the black one. It's the size is like good enough for me, and I'm really liking, and I really like that I can't really see my finger lines, otherwise I hate that. And the golden one is like pretty small for me. So like the black one fits me really well. It's really pretty and very simple black color. I mean the golden one really doesn't fit me because, but my sandal size is like 37, but it still doesn't like fit me. So I'm not sure whether I have to like go to the mall to exchange it. Oh god, it takes, I mean I really hate that. Or I have to see on the website whether they can like exchange a bigger size for me, because usually like brands and website do that, but I don't know, 6th Street doesn't do that. So anyways guys, this was actually all for the unboxing, and I hope I get like a bigger size for the sandal, because golden one is the most important one. So yeah guys, I'll go and continue with my editing because I have to schedule it for tonight, and I'll see you tomorrow if I'm cooking something or if I'm doing my makeup for my channel. I'll see you then. Hi guys, it's actually day 24. I was just filming a couple of Insta videos because I honestly haven't like uploaded videos since a month or two, because I usually like focus on my YouTube and I don't really get that much time then to do Insta videos. So I was doing like lip swatch and just was doing like videos, and I was doing like an intro for a YouTube video. I was actually planning to do a lot of videos because when my hubby is like free, he doesn't really let me do like shoot videos because he's like, I'm alone, I'm gonna get bored. So yeah, he gets bored, then I can't really like shoot any videos. So, and yes, yesterday I showed you the sandals that I got from 6th Street. The golden one which I got, I actually like called the customer care, but they only have the option of returning, or you can, if you want to exchange like a bigger or smaller size, you have to like go to the shop and like exchange it. So, and that is also like you have to like go to multiple stores and see which one has like the size. So I like returned the golden one and I ordered like a bigger size. Instead of going to the mall, I did like return the one which didn't fit me and I ordered like a bigger size for me, and I got for the same price. And tomorrow is like Friday, so not gonna shoot any videos today. Not sure, because we might go for iftari. We haven't like gone for proper iftari anywhere, and it's like the last week of Ramzan, so we're actually planning to go out for iftari. So I might like just sit directly on Sunday, because Sunday I might do, or I'll do like Sunday and Monday will be the last 2 days I'll be filming for like Ramzan month, and then maybe after Eid, after a week or so. Actually didn't even make a lot for iftari today because we are planning on like ordering something for dinner, so we might just order like something now for dinner. It's almost 9:45, so just going to order that. I'm just going to change and remove my makeup, have something. Not gonna like edit anything because I don't really want to edit anything today, so just going to watch some Netflix. I'm actually watching the Pakistani new serial Chupke Chupke, but yeah, just one episode a day. Maybe I'll watch it again when it's like finished, but now we have to like watch it one episode. It's like good enough comedy. I don't really interested in watching like tragedy type of serials. I mean they are good, but still I want something like comedy. And I'm then watching a Korean series on Netflix. Remove my makeup, I always do that like in the vlog, but sometimes I honestly don't feel what do I even like show. So I'm actually So sorry about that. I'm just gonna take a wipe again. So what are your plans for Eid, guys? Are you planning on going anywhere? I mean, it's like said to not go to anyone's place even during. I mean, it's better to like be at home and precautions, because I mean, finally, like the cases are like decreasing here. Let's just stay at home with your family and enjoy Eid at home and watch Netflix. I actually have to do a review on the beauty brown obsessions, but honestly I don't know. I was actually planning to do, I did the intro of that video, was actually planning to do eye look today, but I need to take some pictures and like some swatches and all that stuff, so I didn't actually like, I didn't want to actually like destroy the proper packaging and everything, so I didn't actually do that. So let's see, maybe tomorrow I'll take all these swatches and everything for Insta story for my videos. Let's see tomorrow or day after, and then I have to like complete the video. Anyways, now I'll just quickly like cleanse my face, change and order something. Hi guys, it's actually day 25 and it's like 9 p.m. so we just ordered like dinner for us. So I have like shami kebab, then I have chicken biryani, chicken halim and some tandoori naan. The kebabs look really yummy, and the same goes for chicken halim. This is not mutton halim, this is like chicken halim. And then we have chicken biryani. I hope it tastes good. Guys, it's almost 10:30. We just had our dinner. I mean, we didn't actually have iftar properly, we had gone out for some work, so we got too late and so like directly ordered dinner. And I ordered like 2 cakes for me, like pastries from Cheesecake Factory, and the minute I ordered it, my tooth, like the one which I had done like filling at I think in around November, it started like paining again. I don't know, but I ordered like 2 cake pieces. One is like the chocolate cake, it's actually very yummy, and I bought like a new cheesecake. I usually don't like order desserts which are not like chocolate flavor. I prefer like cakes and ice creams to be like chocolate flavor, but I ordered like a mango lime cake and it's so delicious. One of the best cheesecakes I ever had. That is why it's like famous for cheesecake. I'll just quickly show you how delicious it is. Really yummy. I already like ate a lot. I honestly don't even know whether you can see. It is so yummy. It's like dark chocolate ganache cake, really yummy. I hope you can like see. And this is the other one which I am actually telling you, it is really delicious. It has like a coconut layer, and then you have like mango lime cheesecake. Next time maybe I'll just order like the lime one, but this is like way too yummy and really yummy. And I have like guessed, but maybe I'll show you some other time. I'll just like have one more bite. It's so good. I'll actually like show you. It is so good. I am honestly not even sure whether you can like see, but this is so good. The lime taste is too delicious. So anyways, now getting on to the sandal. I ordered like a big size and it got delivered today, and I wore it. It's kind of a little bit loose for me, so I again tried the one which I ordered like 2 or 3 days back, which I had already requested to return, and I wore it and that fit me, that like really fit me well. So I'm not sure, so I cancelled the request for the return and I returned like requested for the one that I ordered, the bigger size one. So my Eid outfit is good to go. So anyways, the cake is so yummy, really delicious. I usually don't have like sweets during Ramadan. I don't prefer like sweets, I don't know, but I am in love with cakes, chocolates, ice creams, desserts. I really love them. I really enjoy and love them, but that is why I have like cavities. Anyways, now it's almost like 10:30. I'm not gonna edit this vlog today. Tomorrow I'll edit and upload it tomorrow itself, and tomorrow we might not like go out. I'm not even sure. I don't feel like going out during iftari time. It's almost 25th day of Ramadan. The rosas are going so fast, and it's going to be like Eid next week. So anyways guys, I hope your Ramadan is going really well. I hope you're healthy and safe, and please guys take all the precautions, stay at home. I'll see you soon in my next vlog coming up soon. Bye.